In this video, I will show you how to copy text from a scanned PDF using your smartphone. It's super easy, fast, and completely free. So let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store depending on your device. Now search for an app called Cam Scanner. Once you find it, download and install it on your phone. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. Now once inside the app, you can open a PDF file or an image that contains the text you want to extract. Tap Import Files or Import Images to bring your scanned document into the app. Alternatively, you can use your phone's camera to directly scan a book page or any printed material. For this example, I already have a file ready with 2 scanned pages. Open your scanned file and tap on the Edit option at the bottom of the screen. Then select Edit Text. This tool uses OCR, Optical Character Recognition, to detect and extract text from the scanned image. Once the text appears, highlight the portion you want to copy and tap the Copy button. Now open Google Documents or any text editor on your phone. Tap and paste the copy text there. As you can see, the entire text has been transferred perfectly. You can now make small corrections or formatting changes using Google Docs editing tool. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.